Okay, my name is Robert Tessia and I am one of the lecturers for the Level 3 in the Professional Cookery Diploma at Ballymena campus and Ballymena campus. Okay, so we've got three courses, well we've got four if you include the part-time. We've got the Level 1, the Professional Cookery Diploma, which is basically an introduction to catering. That offers the student an opportunity to see the commercial and the service side of catering, and basically learning how to work in a kitchen safely to the hygiene standards needed to work in all the kitchens for a job. So the Level 2 qualification is what you need if you want to be classed as a chef. That's for people that want to go and work in the industry full time. That helps open doors for you as well, because we have a lot of contacts in and around the Ballymena and Ballymoney area, so we can hopefully help in your progression towards full-time employment as well. And then we've got the Level 3 qualification in catering, which is for the people that are solely interested in working in the commercial sector. This is for the people that want to work in the restaurants and the hotels, hopefully to a high standard like a Michelin star or something like that. The dishes we will do for the Level 3 are a lot more complex than the Level 1 or 2, obviously. And it's, like I say, it's for the people that want to work in the high-end industry. For the Level 1 course, the PCD1, you're learning about the equipment. The whole point of the Level 1 obviously is to walk before you can run. You need to understand the equipment and what you can actually cook in it. For the Level 2 course, you're actually going to do a lot more dishes, where we kind of put more pressure on you so you get a feel of what it's like to actually work in the industry. And then for the Level 3 course, the dishes you do will be of a complex nature, which means the people, like I say, that are going to go into a Level 3, they won't work in the service sector, they will be working solely in the commercial sector, and the food you'll be working with, the ingredients will be of a lot higher quality, it will be more expensive, and the standard that you will be expected to achieve will be a lot higher, obviously, with your knife skills, understanding of the products you're working with, and presentation. So the machinery that you'll be using in the Level 3, a lot of you probably would have never even heard of. It's basically to help chefs achieve a much higher standard of food. One of the most important things in catering is standardization. So it means that the food that you're producing on a Monday, you're going to be producing exactly the same product on a Friday as well. And with the equipment that we've got, that definitely helps out in achieving that. Okay, so as far as jobs go, what we do recommend is when you start off with your Level 1, if you're choosing to do the Level 1 course, we strongly recommend that you get yourselves a part-time job. Doesn't matter where it is, as long as you're doing something in the industry, whether it's service or commercial. As you progress through the courses, because hospitality is such a wide genre, you can decide in what section it is you want to work in. If you decide to go on to the Level 3 course, then you are definitely going to choose the commercial sector. So we would strongly recommend that you are, by the time you're a Level 3 student, that you have a part-time job in a hotel or a restaurant of a notable. It has to have a certain kind of standard, because obviously you're going to be producing complex dishes. You need to be able to replicate that in the places that you work in. And it's for people that want to move on, maybe leave these shores, move on to maybe somewhere in Britain, or maybe further afield like Australia or Canada or even America.